Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get some fall nail art. Start off with a base coat. Next, apply as many coats necessary to have an opaque, neutral base color. I use 3 coats. For the first leaf, make a petal type of shape. Next, draw a small line with brown to create the stem. Use the leaf color or the base color to fix any mistakes. The next leaf is very similar, except instead of one petal-like shape, you will have 3. When the 3 shapes are connected, take a brown and create the line to create the stem. The next few clips will be speeded up just so you can see the process again. Don't forget to create some half leaves going off the edge to make it look like a continuing pattern. Lastly, when your design is dry, apply a top coat. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any nail art suggestions, please leave them down below. Please subscribe if you enjoy nail art videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!